Another big story tonight, dangerous winds. You heard them all day, taking down trees and across the Southland. Well, good evening. I'm Leslie Medina.
And I'm Chris Holmstrom. Several trees have been uprooted because of those winds.
We have live team coverage beginning with CBS 2's Jeff Nguyen in Claremont. Jeff, I could see some work being done right behind you.
Yeah, Leslie, so we are on Foothill right by Indian Hill. Let me go ahead and step aside so you can show you what crews are dealing with right here. This is a very delicate operation because you've got this eucalyptus tree into those power lines. They can't just cut wherever they want because all of that weight can certainly come crashing down onto the lower lines or that building right there. So right now, let's go ahead and open up this shop because Edison says at one point this afternoon, more than 70,000 customers were without power. And right now, as you can see in this neighborhood, plenty of homes are still in the dark. Eric Tucker is a biology teacher at Claremont High School. On Saturday, he took out his chainsaw to teach his two sons and a friend a valuable lesson in civics.
Just cleaning up the road, trying to help the community. You know, it's right near the high school. There's lots of kids that want to come to the park, want to travel through this road, and just want to clear it out so people can get through safely.
Overnight, strong winds ripped through Southern California. In Upland, a tree fell onto the trailer of this semi-truck. In Sierra Madre, this tree busted through a brick wall and landed on a couple of cars as the wind roared through the San Gabriel Valley. Near the Hollywood Bowl, several cars were trapped when strong winds caused a tree to topple. Back in Claremont, Damien Gentry and his neighbors worked to clear this downed tree.
It came down about 1 in the morning, and probably a half an hour before that, we could hear the wind going through the tree sounded like a jet airplane. So I went outside and I could see it was just heaving left and right.
Down the road, a car got crushed and power was wiped out at Daniel Kuriyama's neighborhood. But he says his neighbors stepped up.
Neighbors from the community were out here moving debris out of people's driveways early in the morning before people got up. So it was a nice thing to see.
Over at Kauai Park, the Tuckers ended up clearing the road that was previously blocked. Dad says this was a good project for his kids while the electricity was out. No power at home. Good way for the kids to burn off some energy.
That's right. Yep. Good exercise, right?
Now, both the mayor and the fire department tells us that some homes and cars suffered heavy damage, but thankfully there are no reports of injuries. We are live in Claremont. Jeff Nguyen, CBS 2 News.
Yeah, what a mess. Jeff, thank you so much for that report. And it